You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This is a curse word, mainly used originally in the UK, but it's become used and fairly popular around the world as well. It has two slightly different meanings. The first one is somebody who is considered a little obnoxious, let's say, or stupid. It's slang, okay? It can also designate a woman's genitals. It is pronounced as twat. Twat. Americans sometimes use it. It's not as vulgar or as bad in British English. It's used in the UK fairly commonly. It's not like completely bad, absolutely bad word, depending on the context, obviously. Twat. Twat is how you pronounce it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.